really blends out. And I have these really fun little Shopkins bags. So first, I am going to start with this one. So I've got my scissors. And open this up. Okay. I'll just open it up like this. No scissors. Okay. Oh, I didn't even see those tape right here. But I'm going to just undo this tape. Okay, so here I've opened my cute little Shopkins pack. So here is my Shopkins checklist. Okay, so let's unfold this little Shopkins checklist. Okay, look how many Shopkins there are. This is insane. Here we have all, so what here are limited. So here are limited edition, and then the glow in the dark. Oh, and these are the charms. See right there, that charm is? So many charms. And then up here we have sweet treats. Okay. Then on the other side we have the sports category. And then we have the garden category. And then right here we have the homewares. And then the bakery. These are so cool. Oh, and look, here is my cute charm bracelet that I can put all of my Shopkins on. My Shopkins charm. And then for my Shopkins charm today, I have Cookie Cookie. So right there is my Cookie Cookie. So let's pop these Shopkins out. It's waiting, Shopkins. Okay. So you want to get out. Poppy teapot. No. Got it. Now this microphone. Okay. This microphone's hard to get out. Get out of there. Okay, finally got that microphone out. First, let's take my Cookie Cookie. See if you can see it. See Cookie Cookie? I'm going to take him and put him on my charm bracelet. Okay. See if I can even get this charm bracelet. Okay. Now this is how I am going to put him on. So right here, I have this loop. I'm going to put it on this, oopsie. I'm going to put it on this little pink string thing, like that. Then pull it all the way down to where I want it to be. I want to have it be the last one, and so if I have another one, I just don't have to keep moving Cookie Cookie down. Oh my goodness, that's crazy. It came at the end. Let's see if I can put him back in through the end. Okay, that was really fast. Okay, and now let's put this back like that. And ta-da! He is on our charm bracelet. Cookie Cookie. Okay. Now we're gonna look at these. So this is penny wishing well. You can just throw a penny and your wish will come true. Then I have a Polly teapot. Would you like some tea? I don't have a cup for it. Here is our microphone. Testing. Okay, our microphone works perfect. And now here is ice cream dream. Da 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 da. Okay. While here I have my bunny backpack. Okay. Open this little bunny backpack. Oh, this feels like a big one. Let's see what Shopkins is in here. Okay, which one will it be? Let's see. Perfect. Let's see. Oh, Betty Baseball. And she, I think it's a Petkins. Okay. Now that we've looked at all of our little 5-pack of Shopkins, we are gonna look at our Shopkins. Okay. Let's open this up. Just gonna whip it. Slide this on out. Oh no. Uh-oh. I am in trouble. I can't get it out. Oh no. Okay. Okay, finally we got our little Shopkins out. So I like to call this one Jelly Bee. That might not be a name, but I just like to call her Jelly Bee. Okay, and right here I have Delish Donut, and then Cheeky Chocolate and Bubbles. Okay, so I'm gonna take my scissors and open it up. Okay, here. Oh, wait, I don't even have to cut them. Just pull this wide out. I don't even have to cut them. Okay, here I have little Jelly Bee. I am Jelly Bee, Jelly Bee. She is so cute. So like she looks like an eraser, but she's really like a really hot little Shopkins jar. Okay. Now let's see. I wonder who this one is. I cannot remember. Who is this one? We'll pull it out and see who this one is. Who is this one? I don't know who this one is. Okay. But we're just about to find out because I'm gonna pull this little thing out, and who is it gonna be? Oh, and it was Bubbles! Okay, so here is my Bubbles. Can I get it off? Can I get Bubbles off? Yes! Here is my Bubbles. Bubbles and Jelly Bee. Ah! I got Jelly Bee! Okay. Bubbles and Jelly Bee. Okay, there we go. Let's see. Who are you? I do not remember. I think you're our chocolate. Maybe. Who do we have? Let's see. Okay. Right here. Oh! Cheeky Chocolate. Okay. Let's get Cheeky Chocolate off of here. Dun dun dun. I am a cheeky chocolate. Okay. Now let's see, who are you? Let's untwist you. If I untwist, does the Shopkins kind of twist? Oh, that's just the thing that helps hold the charm bracelet. Ooh. Okay, this is gonna take a little while. Hey, stop it. Okay, let's pull this out here. Uh-oh. This keeps on getting twisted. Finally, I got this one out. And so it is free back here. Now let's untwist this. Who do I have? Dun dun dun. Oh, and it is Delish Donut. She is so pretty. And she looks very yummy with all that pink frosting. Now I'm just going to take this off like this. This is, oh, okay. Here, I have my charm bracelet. Okay, let's put on the order. So first I found this jelly bee. Okay, let's put jelly bee on the charm bracelet first. Uh-oh. Come on, get on here. Okay, let's try this one more time. How come I can't get you on? You just not want to be on the charm bracelet right now. Come on. Finally, I got this jelly bee on. So here she is. Now I think I put Bubbles next. Okay. So here is Bubbles. Okay. So if I can get on to the jelly bee. Okay, where are you gonna go? Okay, let's try this again. Why do they make these so hard to put on here? Just open them. Okay, come on now. Why can't I just get this on the charm bracelet? Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna try this again. Why won't you get on here? Okay, my mom's gonna help me. And then here are my other charms. Okay, while we do that, we're just gonna look at our Shopkins that we opened up at the beginning. So let's see this.